Today we are in Verona, New Jersey, about to install our Tranquility Deluxe Pond. This is a 10 by 14 pond. We are going to be adding a couple of upgrades on this, which include a fish cave, a feeding stone, nighttime illumination, and our bottom aeration kit. This is a typical suburban backyard. Not a whole lot of space, but we're going to have access from the side yard coming back around and then building right where they had an above ground pool. So hopefully digging is going to be a breeze. We've got our plywood road almost complete. Lush, beautiful lawn. We have to salvage this. So at the end of the day, we're probably gonna pull this up just so we don't choke it down and burn it. Access through a double gate is perfect. We've got two machines. We've got the MT, we've got our mini excavator. That's where we're gonna be pulling in all of our material, all of our boulders. Access right on through here. They've got a beautiful screened in porch. This is an awesome hangout space. This is gonna be an area of main viewing and enjoyment of the pond. And then right over here where they had an above ground pool is where we're going to be digging and creating this backyard paradise. So we just found a giant tree stump here, so now we have to decide whether to remove it with the big machine, or relocate the pond. What do you think, Ant?
I would much rather prefer if we brought the big machine.
Why are you using double terms there? Much rather prefer.
Why are you interrupting me?
Well, what's that age-old saying? If it wasn't bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. So we went two extremes here. Yesterday, 105 degrees, and today, it's pouring rain. Okay, we're all geared up in our rain suits. We are going to see what happens. Seems like we can't catch a break today. First, the pond had a giant tree in it. Now, our machine broke. So now we're digging this pond by hand, and it's raining. Right now, we got a little bit of break in the clouds. Actually, I see some blue up there. We might be able to get this pond dug. Liner, underlayment, skimmer's in already. Plumbing hooked up to the biofalls is already there. So we've got a lot done, but now we're kind of at a standstill. So let's see what we can do. So before we had the biofalls over here on the far side and the skimmer was on that side. But since we had to relocate this, we flip-flopped it. Biofalls is now up on that side, and it's gonna be facing over to this screened in patio and outdoor eating and seating area. We've got the skimmer in, overflow is set. That helps us determine and gauge our water level for each shelf over here and for the depth. We're gonna go 24 and then a section of 30 inches in the far corner, just in front of where the fish cave is. And then 2-foot high waterfall at the edge, 10 foot, 14 foot. And then they're gonna be putting in a patio right along here. And then we're gonna have a cool feeding rock right on this side here. So this is gonna be a cool pond once it's all done. Mother Nature's got the best of us today. She did not want us to finish. It's pouring again. We got our skimmer set up over here. It's a little tough to see, but it's under that tarp. A lot of the rock work on this lower level is in. This is a deep spot, kind of like, I don't know, maybe we'll put in a lily here. It'll be 30 inches deep. Our light whips and the cups this way, we rock them in, hold them in place. Still a lot to do, obviously, but we did get the liner in. It's gonna keep everything in here dry. Plus the rain will kind of wash off some of this. So tomorrow we'll come in and yeah. With the full crew here in the last 2.5 hours or 3 hours, we have completely rocked in the entire pond. We've got all buttoned up. We've got some of our aquatic plants nestled into some plant pockets. And over here, we've got this awesome parrot's feather. This is gonna actually kind of float on top of the water as we fill this up and then kind of fan out, spread off to the 2 different sides here. Skimmer's in. We're gonna have to hook up our pump and check valve. We've also got our overflow, which goes into a dry well just back there in the grass. Over here you can see Anthony's starting to do our junction boxes for the light whips. And then right in that area there, Colby's gonna be helping me lay these 2 pieces of flagstone there, which will make the feeding rock at the edge of the pond. The customer was really interested in having that, and we're gonna place it right direct across from the bottom of the stairs. So as you come down, it's almost gonna draw you directly to that edge, and then you'll be right there able to feed your fish. Right, so 14 hours, 6 guys. We were able to dig a pond, fill it back in, and then redig it right next to it, and then create this awesome pond. Check it out.
Nice. Cool. We have our own waterfall in the backyard. Oh Oh my goodness. So this is where you go step right here?
Yep.
Like step up there?
Yep.
Oh wow.
That'll
Yeah,
get you
like
up
a
close
fish.
and personal with the fishes.
Oh my goodness. You gonna throw money in there, boys?
It's a wishing well now, huh?
Wow.
So these are all marginal plants. They grow well in water, and they're perennial, so they'll come back. Actually, all of them except that tall one there.
This one, okay.
Yeah,
This one.
the one in the tall one in the
Okay.
middle. That's actually a banana tree.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's my their grandmother's banana trees. They look so
Yeah. So that one will get pretty big. The other ones will stay small, but they get little flowers. And then you've got your water lily in the pond itself.
So is that's the drain right there?
Yeah, just like a pool, that's the skimmer. So that's where the pump and everything's up there. Your filter's up there where Boley's just moving some stones.
No swimming in here, boys.
Why not?
I hope my dogs don't jump in. I like this one right here. These flat one. This is nice. Just standing and sit on here and look at them when we get fish.
Yeah, you could even hang your feet off and put them in.
Yeah. Very. I can't believe you guys did it in such a short amount of time.
That reaction basically sums up what we aim for on every one of our builds. We completely amazed them, outdid all expectations. Let us know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you haven't, please subscribe, click the button, it's free. And we are back every week at Friday, posting a new video of projects just like this. We'll see you guys on the next one.